Hello, hello. It's Tuesday, April 6th. This is Luke Stokes and Katie Z with the FIO Protocol. Welcome back.
Hello, hello. Welcome back. How you doing, Luke?
I'm doing well. It's been a busy day, lots of meetings, lots of cool stuff going on. Yeah, it's an exciting thing to be part of decentralized autonomous consortia of people all over the world trying to make crypto easier to use. I'm pretty excited about that.
Yes, I would say so. I'm just going to plug it real quick. If you guys aren't following Luke's Twitter, he's got an ongoing feed of great content and deep thoughts and stuff like that. You can hear more about FIO, but also just where his head's at in terms of this stuff. All right, cool. So let's see. So I wanted to talk most notably this week on highlighting our first year anniversary launch from Mainnet, the competition that we have running, $10,000 up for grabs and giveaway, which is a really big deal. And I'm loving the content that's coming through on that. So if you haven't heard about this contest, I would love to just take a minute to tell you a little bit about it, share maybe a couple of the videos that we have been receiving so you can check it out as well, and see if you guys would like to get yourself participated, because the cool thing is that everybody who does participate in this, I'm going to share my screen and I'll link this below, the blog and the contest details. Anyone who submits a video and follows the terms and conditions of this will automatically be guaranteed to win 100 FIO tokens. What the contest is we want to hear more about how you guys think about FIO. If you're familiar with it or you're interested in it and you want to take the time to learn a little bit more, maybe you're watching on these videos, would love to hear, how do you talk about it with your friends? Because that really helps us to get that feedback so that we can better communicate it as well when we're putting these blogs and social media posts together. So the contest started on March 29th and it ends on April 11th. But if you're a YouTube subscriber of FIO's, I want to let you know here first that this contest, we're opening it up to the end of April. So there's been a couple of little snafus with the links to get the forms submitted, and just want to make sure everybody has a fair and equitable chance to be able to create something that they're proud about, really give this an honest go for themselves, and then also get more videos in. So these are some bullet points on what you guys can talk about, some of the stuff that we're already seeing, and I'll share some of that, explaining in your own words what FIO is, what are some of the biggest problems that you see FIO solving. And you don't have to take it for whatever you're finding on the website or out there on the internet. I mean, be honest. What energizes you? What do you think is the biggest opportunity for FIO? So there is no right or wrong specifically to some of these. We want to give you some creative agency to really put your flair onto these. Some of these too, as you know, with the FIO protocol, we're integrated into a number of different wallets and exchanges. So I'd love to see more videos from how to use FIO, how to get started on it, from a mobile interface, from the desktop interface, different languages. If you speak another language, that's an opportunity. And the cool thing about this too is that when you're submitting this and you want to win your chance at 5,000 or 2,500 or whatever that is, that prize that you're going for, I'm assuming 5,000, you can submit multiple videos. So it's not going to increase your guaranteed 100 FIO token bonus, but it will increase your chances to place in that top 10 spot. So here are some useful links and resources that you'll be able to click on. There's far more beyond this, so definitely go digging. These are just some handy links and then some terms and conditions. What you'll do is you'll end up clicking here on this link. It'll take you to a form that you'll be able to just enter some basic information, your email, name, how are we going to get a hold of you to know that, or notify you that you've won, what your FIO address is. So mine is Z at Edge and Luke at Stokes. That's what we're looking for there. Link to your videos so that we can preview this. And then of course that you've read the terms and conditions. But if it's cool with you, Luke, I know you haven't seen some of these videos, and we're not going to go through them all because you can see some of them are a little bit long, some are short. This one's almost 17 minutes. But I'd love to get a little taste and put that out there of some of the videos that we're getting.
Yeah, no, I'm excited to see these. I've been waiting to see what the community comes up with.
But I think it's so cool. I'm just seeing this too now. We have almost 100 likes and over 2,000 views. That's super cool. So this is shout out to CryptoPap. We should give them a subscribe. How about that?
Welcome to the CryptoPap channel. If you are in need of a trading platform that ensures the safety and security of your assets and accounts, but does not lose the advantages of blockchain technology, today, CryptoPap will introduce you to a protocol on blockchain can do that.
I'm going to pause it a little bit. It seems like this one's using an auto voice tuner or something to that sort.
Looks like a text-to-speech.
Text-to-speech. But what I like about it, and I'm getting interested to hear how that person talks about it with the introduction to FIO, the storage and the transaction wallets. Other ones, these are not exhaustive, by the way. We've gotten more. I just wanted to give you guys a taste of this. This is Learn Here Happily. We'll give them a subscribe as well. Looks like they're doing more.
Hello guys, today I'm very excited to discuss about FIO Protocol. So first of all, I want to say happy birthday FIO Protocol. So in this video, I'll discuss about how to use FIO Protocol in Whitebit and Edge Wallet, and you'll see FIO Protocol review, okay? And FIO Protocol is a strong project, okay? And which will give a great growth in the future.
Looks like they're going to
Edge Wallet open.
Oh, that's cool. So they actually recorded on their mobile as well. Very cool.
So,
yeah.
Put my fingerprint. So you can see the interface of Edge Wallet. So first of all, you have to add wallet. Just click this add wallet option and search here FIO. And click on FIO. Just click and create new wallet.
So I love this type of content because we're always growing how many different integration partners we have, wallets and exchanges. And this really is so helpful for users, first timers, to get a sense of what to expect when going into these. Because it's open source, the wallets and exchanges, they have some autonomy to kind of make it their own and fit within their own platform the way that they would like to the best. So each of them might be slightly different. So I think that that's really valuable content. Another one on Whitebit. This is coming out of Indonesia. That's cool. I'm not going to attempt to say that YouTuber name. This is, so you can see this is a short video. We've got out of the Philippines, Heji channel. Give everyone a subscribe. That's cool.
What is FIO Protocol? The FIO Protocol is trying to bring people closer to the crypto world by solving the practical pain points in the space. The project aims to enable a better way of sending and receiving coins and tokens.
I like the effects and the motion graphics, the background music as well. Oh, they really got fancy.
They like built, it looks like they built a whole custom slide deck for this. That's great.
Look at this. Oh, this is going to be great. We're going to love going through these. And we'll definitely share all the videos too, so you guys can review them as well. Maybe we'll put like perhaps we could do like a voting contest too, as a added layer to increase their chances of winning. But this is cool too, just to see how their interfaces look like, because I'm in the US and I have an iOS phone and it's just all a little different. So we're all learning too. Cool, I like this. Let me go ahead and stop the share here. So that's just a taste, I think, of some of the videos that we're getting. We're definitely getting more and more each day. I'm looking forward to the variety of the content that we're coming and that we're getting. I think it's cool that it's coming from all over the world too.
That's awesome. So this is like, again, announced here, we're extending this all the way to the end of the month. So you have plenty of time to get, if you want to do another submission or you want to get your friends involved, get other people involved, we would love to see a lot of content here. So please spread the word, share it. I saw an amazing activity when you first shared out this contest announcement. A lot of people are retweeting it and liking it. I really appreciate that. I'm looking forward to seeing more submissions. It's going to be really cool to be able to give away the FIO tokens for this as a reward. So well done, Katie, putting this together, and I'm looking forward to seeing the result.
I absolutely can't wait to go through these and announce the winners. That's going to be a lot of fun. That's the most fun.
Well, really cool. Well, I think that's going to wrap it up for today, right? And anything else you want to cover, or we got it?
This is really the one thing that I really want to focus on for this week. There's definitely a lot of activity going on in the background. If you're looking for more of that content out of these videos, always invite you into the Discord. That's the best place to be a part of those conversations, or even just have your ears to the ground of FIO Protocol there. And the link is in the description below, but it's also fioprotocol.io/chat, and that'll take you to the Discord.
Fantastic. And I should also mention too, we're going to have our very first election for the on-chain election for the board coming up. That's April 15th. I think we talked about that in the last video. So there in the knowledge base, there's more information on that. If you have FIO tokens and you want to be able to let the board know who you'd like to have. I think we've got a board submission now that is going to extend the board beyond its initial 7 to the intended 9. So I think we're in a good spot right now to grow the board, which is very exciting. And that will continue. Again, that's going to be 3 times a year. We continue to let the token holders have a say and let the communicate to the board how they want the board to grow. And so if you're a wallet, you're an exchange, you're integrating the FIO protocol, we welcome you to participate at a higher level with the FIO protocol. This is your protocol. This is a decentralized protocol, and the foundation is here to support the promotion of the protocol and help it. And we want your help to do that. We are building a decentralized autonomous consortia. Consortia meaning everyone who's participating in crypto, all the people integrating FIO protocol, we want you to participate. So thanks again, Katie. Super appreciate it. It looks like you're going to say something more. Go ahead.
I'm going to say a little bit more. I figured, we're on this, and why not use the opportunity? Can you tell the viewers who are watching this far a little bit about what it means to be step into that role, and what types of profiles of individuals who are expressing interest? Explain what that role really means to the foundation and the protocol. Yeah,
definitely. Actually, I was thinking I might as well just pull this up so I have the latest information here. I'll just share it real quick because while we're talking about, why not? I did mention it here, and we'll put it in the show note or in the notes at the bottom. The show notes. The foundation board and election. This is the current board, and you can link through here to this Google spreadsheet to see who has already submitted to be a candidate coming up for the next election. And right here, it talks a little bit more about the responsibilities and qualifications. And it basically involves proactively helping the foundation and the mission of the foundation, which is, again, to make crypto easier for everyone through promoting the FIO protocol and just being knowledgeable of it, working with your contacts in the industry. Generally, these are going to be people that have a product or service that is FIO enabled. And these are going to be helping with the budget decisions for the foundation, how we're going to manage the community funds, how we're making decisions on which products and services we're going to integrate with next. There are kind of the day-to-day, well, not really day-to-day, but every few weeks or so, there's multi-sig transactions in order to facilitate the budget for paying the different people that have active worker proposals. So being able to make sure that there's no single point of failure as far as the community treasury. So the board is on a multi-sig, and when I say multi-sig, it's multi-signature access to be able to transfer funds out of the community treasury. So that's really important. And that's kind of the basics of it. And there is compensation too. So you actually get, it is a paid position as well, as far as there's FIO compensation for the board members. But it's really a way that we can continue to grow this beyond just, the genesis of it to a much, much broader group of people, products, services, crypto enabled companies that want to be part of making crypto easier for everyone. And they want their community to know that this is a priority to them, that they understand that cryptocurrency is hard and it shouldn't be that way. And with FIO protocol, we can make it easier. So that's kind of the current position of the board. And you can get a lot more information here about the foundation itself, the different treasury accounts, everything is completely transparent. Also kind of even what we've said we're going to use the tokens for as far as the board and how we're going to manage the community treasury. These are some thoughts we put together. I think this was last updated, 3 months ago. So we're, any changes here you can track, but we always want to be really transparent about what we're doing with what has been entrusted to us as far as the board goes. So all this information, again, is on our knowledge base, and we'd love for you to check it out and give us any feedback or thoughts. And again, we invite you to participate. So the first election is coming up April 15th. On the knowledge base, it explains how you can vote. And again, if you are interested in being more involved and you're running a crypto-enabled product that is using the FIO protocol, we'd love to have you participate. So there's a place where you can, it's an ongoing continual election. So you can go ahead and register anytime if you want to be a participant and get token holders to vote for you. That'd be great.
Yep, that's it. And I think on that note, that's probably a wrap for this week. And I guess until next week, everybody. Hope you
Thanks,
have a
Katie.
great
Take care.
day.
All.